Sounds every 2000s kid will remember. Alright, firstly, does everybody remember turning on their Windows XP computer and hearing this sound? Alright, next, any kid who spent their free time playing the Wii will remember this. Nowadays, everybody has iPhones and Androids, but does anybody remember how the Nokia brick used to sound? This brings back memories. I swear the best movie started with this intro. Finally, this was one of the worst sounds to hear, the AOL dial-up sound.